my friends, Dan the Man here. Today we're looking at the Mojo disposable vape. Stick around. Okay, that was all, I don't know, a little stupid, but whatever. There's no intro because this thing doesn't deserve an intro. I'm not about to take the time to take pictures and stuff with this thing. It sucks. I had some points to spend at vapehappy.com. And so I was looking around. I don't know what's going on with their website. Something strange. That's neither here nor there. Go check it out if you want. I usually leave a link down there for $10 off on your first purchase. That'll still be there, and it's a good deal to have. But then I get $10 too. So that's what I had. A friend of mine, all of you guys are my friends. Take it or leave it. You might not want me for a friend. Anywho, they had a guy, Thesis. That's the name. His name's Thesis. He was reviewing this. On their website, they had his channel linked because he reviewed this. And so, anyways, yeah. He said that this is the best lemon cake he's ever had, ever. Not in a refillable pot only, but all of the liquid he's ever tasted. So I'm like, okay, shit. The best he's ever tasted, it must be at least decent.
Insert bad word here.
It's disgusting. It's nasty. Um, one of my friends over on ELR, Ben, he calls himself English guy, okay? Well, one of his recipes, he's a new mixer, I think. A fairly new. Ben's lemon meringue. I'm not a lemon kind of guy, but this is 100 times better than this. Anyways, we're gonna put Ben's lemon in here. Hopefully, we're gonna take it apart. So let's see how easy it is to take apart, and to see if we're able to change liquids out. Oh my god. See how easy that was? It just popped right off. Cool. Alright, well there it is. Let's get a gander of it. I'm not really sure what that get right there. That cotton? There's cotton right there, right? Not entirely sure what that's supposed to do. That's kind of strange looking to me. And then you can see the coil right there. You see the coil? At the bottom there? Not bad looking, right? So hopefully we can figure out how to get rid of cat piss and put in something decent. Now, I'm not entirely sure how this is the best lemon the guy has ever had. He must be vaping, like I said, cat piss to think that's the best he's ever had. Yuck. Sometimes I feel really sorry for people that don't do DIY, because it's really hard to find a good liquid out there. This one is not it. Now, okay, eliquidrecipes.com, that's where I hang out for my DIY. There's another, author Michelle Hughes did a post for tasters to find out if you have a super taster or if you have average or below average taste for your taste buds. So there's a little test that you do to find out where you are on that scale. And what it does is it counts the taste buds on your tongue. It's kind of neat. It's fascinating, really. I'll leave a link for that too. Go check that out. It's cool. You can go check it out now and come back. Check it out and don't come back. Check it out after. However you want to do it. But we're gonna try to dump this out and put something better in. We're gonna do it down here because I want to be for you to be able to see it. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. So let's take that off. So what I'm gonna assume is pull this all out and then that rubber grommet there. Yep, you sure can. Pull the tube out there, guys. There we go. Alright, hopefully I didn't screw the pooch on this. So if you guys want to do this, if you unfortunately bought one of these and can't stand the taste of it, then you can do this. Now, there's a couple things I can do right here. I can rinse it out, which I don't want to do because then the cotton will be full of water and that would just be disgusting. I can put it back together and vape it until that's dry and not burn it. Or I can just go ahead and fill it up with what I want and have that very little bit in there with it. And I don't want to do that either. So I just flipped it upside down right here like this. And you can see the liquid now coming down my screwdriver. And I've also blown in that hole and got a lot out of it that way too. See it gathering at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is put it back together and vape that down a bit. But after I try to get rid of that little bit right there. Oh, you know what? Use this cotton. That's a good idea. Use this cotton to soak up that nastiness. There we go. Now we're talking. That's what that cotton's for. Shit. That makes me... Alright, that's not bad right there. Not bad at all. Okay, I put it back together, vaped it down some. And you can see I dried out that cotton a little bit, but I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to burn it. So now I'm ready to put something new in it. Here's to you, Ben. Okay, let's fill her up. Kitty, darn it. Just a pest sometimes, you know that? Okay, I got my cat right in front of me right now. I think I may have put too much in there. Darn it. Hold on, I gotta get... Silly cat. Okay, jeez. Crazy cat. see what it does. There it is, my friends. The Mojo. Now it's good. So much better. For Ben's lemon meringue pie, I will leave a link. It's pretty good. Ben, you did a good job, pal. And hey, this is Dan the Man signing out, my friends. Man, so much better. So, God almighty. Now I'm going to have people taste it and see what they think about it. Now that, if Mr. Thesis tries that, he'll probably shit himself.